Hey there, looking to have some fun and maybe snag a bit of cash? In this video, I'll introduce you to an awesome free site where you can play quiz games for a chance to win real money. Whether you're a trivia whiz or just love a good challenge, this platform has something for everyone. Join me as we explore how it works, share strategies to boost your chances, and dive into some exciting gameplay. So grab your snacks and let's see if you can turn your quiz skills into some sweet bucks. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool tips. We always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so we can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Want to turn your trivia skills into cash? Welcome to Quizando, where your love for quizzes can pay off big time. Dive into a variety of fun and challenging quiz games and put your knowledge to the test. It's simple. Answer questions right, score points, and you could be raking in real money. Imagine chilling on your couch, playing quizzes, and seeing your bank account grow. Sounds awesome, right? Plus, join a vibrant community of quiz lovers just like you who are cashing in on their trivia expertise every day. Quizando is a cool quiz game site where you can actually win real money just by playing quizzes. All the games there are skill-based, so you'll get to show off your knowledge on different topics. Quizando is open to everyone around the globe, so no matter where you are, you can join in. Signing up is super easy. You can use your Google or Facebook account, or just go with your email. Once you're all set up with registration, just log into the dashboard and start making some money. Quizando's got 4 cool quiz game types for you to try out: live, classic, survivor, and sponsored. You can jump into classic games whenever they're active and aim for the highest score possible because only the top 10 players snag a prize when it wraps up. Sponsored games are pretty much like the classic ones, but with a twist, the prizes come from sponsors or partners. The rules stay just like in classic games. Whenever you win, you'll get some cash added to your Quizando account balance. You can then pull it out through PayPal whenever you feel like it. Ready to quiz your way to some serious cash? Sign up for Quizando today and start playing. The next cash winner could be you. Before we finish up, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried Quizando or any other money-making sites? How did it go for you? Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, drop a comment, and share it around. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop with our latest videos. Catch you in the next one.